If you're tired of spending hours staring at textbooks only to have it all disappear from your brain by the next day, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to look past the old ways of studying and explore how you can use AI as a real learning partner. Think of it like a personal trainer for your brain. The goal here is simple: learn faster, remember more, and do it all with integrity. Let's get into it.
Does this feel familiar? You spend a whole Saturday with your notes, you're highlighting, you're rereading, and by Sunday it's like you barely even started. It's so frustrating, right? But here's the thing. What if the problem isn't how hard you're working, but how you're working? I'm going to show you a much smarter way to get this done.
So here's our game plan for today. First, we're going to talk about why studying can feel like such a struggle. Then I'll introduce you to your new best friend, AI as a personal tutor. From there, we'll get practical with a daily workflow and even a battle plan for exam week. And to wrap it all up, we'll go over a simple framework to make you a much smarter learner.
Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1, the modern study struggle. We're going to look at why those old study habits you were taught are probably letting you down.
I'm willing to bet you've felt at least a few of these. We all have. You're trying to wrap your head around a tough concept, or you forget something you literally just read. Before you know it, revision is a total mess, and you're stuck cramming the night before an exam, and that just leads to a whole lot of stress and zero confidence. If this is you, don't worry, you are not alone. It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter.
Now this right here, this gets to the absolute heart of the problem.